Eddie and Leroy working at the ranch. Disking and fertilizing, I suppose. It's a race. It's Eddie Falls. Working it. And the tractor's winning. The old white truck is half a lap behind. Oh, here he comes. Oh, he's picking up speed. Got white truck. He's catching up with the tractor. The tractor is on the second lap. Oh my God, the tractor's left the track. Where are you going, tractor? Oh, the truck is leaving the track too. Making the bigger track. Tractor's picking up speed on the right corner. Here comes the tractor in first. The truck's still in second, but the truck looks like... Oh, what's the truck doing? He's taking a shortcut. The truck's trying to cheat. Here he comes. It's neck and neck. They're coming in. Neck and... Oh, the tractor's pulling out ahead. Go, orange tractor. A tractor is ahead. The white truck is not giving up. He's still coming in. He's limping, but he's coming in. He's trying to catch the tractor. The driver looks a little disappointed. The tractor driver is a little... Oh, gosh, they almost wrecked, but we don't have a wreck. The tractor is still out in the lead. Oh, white truck is keeping up. He's not giving up. Most of the time they've done up the race by now, but old white truck ain't giving up. And the tractor is in the lead. We got one more lap. The tractor is broken open. Oh, my goodness. And the white truck still ain't giving up. We're going to give the consolation prize to the white truck. And here comes the tractor. Full speed ahead. And they're fixing to pass the finish line. And here comes the tractor. He's breaking out on the stretch. He's wide open now. Go, tractor, go. He's coming across the finish line. And the tractor takes it. But old white truck ain't giving up. Old white truck never gives up. Come on, white truck. He's fixing to cross the finish line. He's never giving up. Come on, come on, come on, white truck. And the white truck crosses the finish line. Let's give him a hand.